welcome along to the day where the freight don't wait for no man. Welcome to Dulwich. And we're going to kick things off with 168217 on the 0949 Chiltern Railway's mainline service from London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street. Arriving next into the station, the 1002 Chiltern Railway's mainline service from Birmingham Moor Street through to London Marylebone. And this should be 168216. And it is. Next out to depart 172220 and 172214 with the 1003 West Midlands Railway service to Worcester Street. And next pulling out of the siding here at Dorridge, the debut of the Silver Nova on our channel. This is 3Q70 from Stourbridge Depot through to Bicester North Depot. Our first freight, this is 4 Echo 36 from Southampton Western Docks through to Masborough, and it's 66701. Christ alive, it's cold! Arriving next into the station will be the 1020 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford upon Avon through to, from Worcester Street through to Stratford upon Avon, as my phone goes through all kinds of notifications there. And we have 172333 for 172,219. Arriving next into Dorridge will be the 10:29 Chiltern Railways mainline service from Birmingham Moor Street through to London Marylebone, and this should be 168,108 and 168,325. And next out will be the 10:28 Chiltern Railway service from Leamington Spa to Birmingham Moor Street, and it's 165,019. And the next train out to depart will be the 10:35. Well, that's leaving 2 minutes early. That's left 2 minutes early. 172,215 and 331. That's the 10:35. West Midlands Railway service from Stratford upon Avon to Worcester Forgate Streets, left at 10:33. Second freight of the day will be 4 Oscar 90 from Leeds FLT through to Southampton MCT. With 66,418. Next arriving in, this is terminated with the West Midlands Railway service off Worcester Forgate Street, and will be 172,102 and 172,006. And hopefully the toilets are working on that, because I need a piss. Next out to depart, weighing in at 85 tonnes and carrying 3,500 horsepower, is 68,014 with stock ALO2 on the 10:49 Chiltern Railways mainline silver service from London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street. It's gone, mate. One time for the one time. Go on, girl! And here comes our final freight train. This is 6H45 from Banbury Tarmac through to Tunstead. Which is 66623. 66623, and that's going to wrap up Wagon Wednesday. Join us for another freight hotspot next week. In the meantime, I'm off for a piss. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.